I've known Rob for almost 30 years.
Been here at S-5 for 4 months shy of 3 years.
I've been working here 7 years.
6 years, 4 years.
7 years.
8 years.
What I like most about working here at S-5 is people I work with.
It's different every day. Love that.
Great people and make you feel very welcome and appreciated in the company.
And just seeing it grow so much bigger and bigger, it's amazing how much opportunity there is out here.
Very family oriented.
The friends that I've met here at the manufacturing plant.
It's nice. It's just like working with family.
The people and the environment, that's really makes my job happy.
I love the people that I work with.
We all get along and we care for each other.
It's just amazing how much it's grown.
There was so much opportunity to grow. It was a small company.
So much to learn, and you have so many things that you can do.
It makes me feel like my future is very secure.